It's that time. I've got to talk to you about my favorite handbags. Y'all, these are incredible. I obviously have quite a collection started. So let me take you through each one. The very first one I got was the medium. Y'all, did I mention that all of these are washing machine safe? So I put them in a laundry bag, throw them in the wash. They are phenomenal. I just lay flat to dry. This is the size medium, and I'm absolutely loving it. This is like a little blush color, so I went with a more neutral for my first one. But soon to follow was the large. This is the large. It fits so much. I will tell you, it does fit a lot more than the medium. However, you're not going to want to put a lot more things that are heavy because these straps are going to stretch just a little bit. But no fear, you're going to throw it in the wash and then they'll be back to normal. Every bag comes with its own little pouch. This is great. I don't always change out the pouches with the purses. I can just take this from purse to purse. These are like the essentials that stay with me all the time. It's a really nice size. They are lined, as you can see. You see my candy in there. I put these in the washing machine as well. And then came the small ones. I love them. I use them all the time. My favorite part is that they also work as a crossbody. My girls use these. We do put these in the washing machine as well. Like I mentioned, every purse comes with a pouch. They are so good. Which one are you going to start with? Decisions.